Forget it, Pumbaa. I'm a realist. And I'm not gonna go chasing after some fantasy. I'm going beyond what I see.
But if you always go beyond what you see, how do you know when you're there?
Oh, I'll tell you how I know. We're there. This is a lovely spot. Lovely, rustic, picturesque. Home sweet home, Pumbaa. Home sweet home. I mean, sure, it needs a little work, but it's got good bones. After all, this is an elephant graveyard. And who would ever come to an elephant graveyard?
Sire, the hyenas are after the children.
I see carnivores. Beyond what you see. Beyond what you see. Beyond what you say.
Timon, would this be a bad time to bring up that little place I told you about?
Hey, this is home, sweet home, baby. Home! Steam. Steam is good. Steam is water. Gotta have water, you know, for the dream home. Steam home, dream home. Steam, steam. I am perfectly happy right here. It's remote, private, no unexpected visitors. Something tells me this ain't the traveling company of Riverdales.